How to fix this sound isn't licensed for commercial use TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. Once you update your app, tap Open It and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now go ahead and tap on the profile icon on your bottom right. Here, tap on three-bar icon on your top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then under Account, tap on Account. At the third option, you will see Switch to Personal Account. Tap onto it and tap on Switch Anyway. You have transformed your business account to a personal account, and now you can use any sound that you would like. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.